Hey, this is Angela Moorad at Amazing Kids AAC Consulting. I just got a question in a private message about this, and so I checked it out. I'm like, yeah, that's doing that for me too. I don't run circle time groups right now, so I don't think I would have ever run across this on my own. But under time, today is Monday,
June.
Okay, see how it's having June? I'm like, okay, yeah, that's really odd. And it didn't seem to matter on the voice. It's a programming issue. So I asked that person to report it to PRC Satillan to ask over in their Facebook group. But then I did a little bit more digging, and you can, if you want to take the time to fix it yourself, here's how you can do that. So I'm going to go back over here, and let's clear that out. I'm going to go to time. Today is menu, edit page. Okay, and you can tell you're on the specific today is days page. And on each of these days of the week, I'm going to add a comma and a space. Done. So for Monday, edit this button. I'm going to add a comma and a space. Save. Let me make sure I saved the one for Sunday. I did not. Make sure it has a space. Save. Tuesday, edit, comma, space, save. Wednesday, comma, space, save. Thursday, comma, space, save, because that button message is what gets added to the message window. Friday, comma, space, save. Saturday, comma, space, save. Okay, so then I'm going to click done. And Monday. Okay, so then go back into edit mode. And now see I'm on today is months. And under this one is where I saw some really odd things. So I'm going to take out that space and comma before the month. And then I'm going to scroll down to my button actions. And this was odd to me. And so I went in, I took out that, I took out that, I took out that. So I'm leaving visit. I'm going to add speech message, and I'm going to drag it up. So your button actions on each of these should be speech message and then the visit that it's already was there. Save. Okay, so then I'm going to go in and do each of those. Edit this button. I'm going to delete out that space and the comma. Scroll down here. Button actions, edit. Delete the backspace, delete the speak message only, delete add message to display, add speech message, and drag it up where it's first. Done. Save. I'm going to do March. So it's not hard. You just have to do it for each thing. And I have no idea why they did that way. All right. So backspace key we don't need. The speak label we don't need. The add message to display. And then I'm going to add in speech message and drag it up before the visit. And done. And save. And let's do April. I wish there was a way to fix these each on their own, but there is not. All right, so button actions, edit. Take those off, leave the visit, add speech message, drag it up. And that was for April. So now I'm going to do May. scroll down, edit, edit, add speech message, drag it up, done, save, June, delete that out, go down, button actions, edit, take out the backspace, take out the speak label only, take out the add. I have no idea, again, why they did that. Maybe there's a reason that I don't know of, but in order to get it to work properly until they fix it, this is my workaround and it works. So that's June. I'm going to go ahead and stop there. I'll finish the rest in a bit. But today is Monday, June, and it's the 23rd, 2025. Today is Monday, June 23rd, 2025. So that is how you can edit that to fix it.